Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show the process assembly of our CASA 7DS. Let's grab, open up the box. For the first step, you require parts A and B, 4 parts N. Let's assemble now. For the next step, you require our previous assemblies, part A and B, 2 part E's, so one with the hole in the middle, 4 part P's, the screw, and the supplied Allen key. Let's assemble now. When assembling part A and B, make sure these back catches are facing the same direction. When assembling for part E, the hole must be facing the top. For the next step, you require part C, 2 part P's, and the Allen key. Let's assemble. When assembling part C, make sure the draw catches are facing the same direction as the others, part A and B. For the next step, you require 2 part F's and 6 part P, the screw. Let's assemble now. When assembling part F, you see the hole is bigger here compared to the other side. So when placing, the bigger hole must be facing top. Doing the same, big hole at the top. For the next step, you require 2 times D and 4 P, the screw. Let's assemble now. When assembling part D, make sure the draw catches are facing the same side. For the next step, you require part G, the top board, 2 part O's, the small screws, 4 Q's, and a power drill. If not, you have the Allen key that's supplied. Let's assemble. I'm going to start with the O's. As you'll see, is a bracket here. Let's move on to Q's. For the next step, we require part H, the board, and 4 part Q's, the screw. Let's assemble. When you tell me H, you see these holes here. Just match it up. On the sides also. For the next step, you need our set of drawers, which is I, J, K, L, and 7 part M's. Let's assemble. For part M, it does come with its own set of Allen key. Our next step will be inserting the drawers. Thank you for watching the assembly of our Casa 70S. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our pre-assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.